As Provost, it is my honor to recognize 4 faculty members who were nominated by their colleagues for outstanding service to the institution, their students, and the community. First, the Shawnee State University Board of Trustees Distinguished Teaching Award is presented to Dr. Erik Larson, Associate Professor of Geology. Dr. Larson's teaching style has been described as demanding but fair, and his classroom culture as open and discussion-based. He teaches in person, online, and in the field. He engages in undergraduate research and serves as a mentor to his students, his colleague students, and even students from other institutions. He has chaired the Celebration of Scholarship Committee and served the institution in many ways. One of his colleagues, Dr. Kurt Shoemaker, commented, "I'm not sure I've met anyone else who has so much diverse geological knowledge instantly available at his mental fingertips. In the field, that is an enviable asset. Erik is an outstanding teacher and mentor, a gifted scholar, and a selfless contributor to the mission of the university. Faculty like Erik elevate the entire institution. The future of Shawnee State should be built around faculty like him." The Shannon Lawson Faculty Service Award is named in memory of the faculty member who demonstrated outstanding service to students, faculty, the institution, and our surrounding area. This year, the award is presented to Dr. Jennifer Scott, Program Director of our graduate program in Composition and Rhetoric. Dr. Scott has been described as a constant, meaningful, and significant contributor to the well-being of the institution and does what needs to be done outside of the limelight. Dr. Scott developed a proposal for the Master of Arts program, served as director of the honors program for 2 years, and served also as the director of the Writing Center. She had served on 9 university committees to help the institution develop distance learning, academic policies, graduate programs, and professional development programs. She has also served on numerous department committees in charge of development of everything from bylaws to curriculum. Dr. Larson wrote of his colleague, "The work that Dr. Scott does behind the scenes keeps the institution operating. Where she's successful with many of her roles, few are aware of it, and that means things are operating well." Dr. Scott, thank you for your significant contributions to Shawnee. The SSU Faculty Research Award is presented each year to a faculty member who has demonstrated extraordinary dedication to research. This year, it is my pleasure to present the award to Dr. Seongcheol Paeng, Assistant Professor of Finance. Dr. Paeng understands that research and teaching support each other. His research focuses on 3 main areas: economic inequality, retirement finance, and cryptocurrency and financial markets. In each area, he says his focus is always on getting a better understanding of issues in our society and finding solutions that might bring about positive change on a global scale. Dr. Paeng has recently presented his work at the Financial Educators Academy Business Education National Conference, the Southwestern Finance Annual Association Conference, and the Christian Business Faculty Association Conference. Most recently, Dr. Paeng had one of his papers accepted for publication by the Quarterly Review of Economics and Finance. Dr. Paeng, thank you for the work you are doing and for advancing research at Shawnee State. Our next award is a special one because it represents our future. The SSU Early Career Teaching Award is presented to a faculty member who has under 3 years of service at Shawnee and who exhibits the quality of an outstanding teacher. I'm happy to present this year's award to Dr. Christy Zempter, Assistant Professor of Communication. Dr. Zempter joined Shawnee State 2 years ago to teach in our new communication major. According to her colleagues, she provides her students with opportunities for hands-on learning to prepare them for their chosen careers after graduation. She has already displayed a commitment to service by volunteering to lead Shawnee State's Teaching and Learning Center focused on professional development for faculty. Dr. Zempter, on behalf of faculty, staff, and students, thank you for joining Shawnee.